Good morning, Year 2, and welcome to Home Learning Lessons with Mrs. Ojobo. I hope you are feeling fantastic this morning and ready for brilliant work. Let's begin our lesson by marking our work from yesterday. I want you to pause the video and check your answers. Then you tick the ones you got right. The ones you didn't get right, check to see what the correct answer is. Okay? Now, I want you to mark your second task, which is the mastery work. Check to see if you got them right. I want you to pause the video now and check. Today, we are learning to add two two-digit numbers by counting on in tens and in ones. Our key vocabulary for today are tens, ones, add, bigger, pattern, addition, number sentence. In today's lesson, we are adding two two-digit numbers. Let's start with this example. 32 plus 24 equals. Now we will use the 100 square to help us. Let's place the spider on 32 because 32 is the bigger number. How much are we adding? 24. We will add the tens first, then add the ones. How many tens do we need to count on? 2 tens. We are going to count down 2 rows to 52. Have a look at the 100 square. Now, let's count on 4 ones to 56. Okay, now let's complete the number sentence. 32 plus 24 equals 56. Now, what if we do 24 plus 32 equals? Let's place our spider on 24. Look at the 100 square. How much are we adding? 32. We will add the tens first, then add the ones. How many tens do we need to count on? 3 tens. We are going to count down 3 rows to 54. Now, let's count on 2 ones to 56. Let's complete the number sentence. 24 plus 32 equals 56. 24 add 32 equals 56 as well, you see. Addition is the same both ways. 32 plus 24 is equals 24 plus 32. And it is always better to start with the bigger number. Let's count on. Now, when doing this kind of problems, the key questions you need to ask yourself are, how many tens am I counting on? How many ones? Which number is it best to start with in additions? Let's try 35 plus 48. 48 is bigger than 35, so we will start with that and count on 3 tens and 5 ones. Have a look at the 100 square. I want you to join me to count on the tens. 58, 68, 78. Now, the ones. Let's use bonds to add 2 to get 80. Then 3 more to 83. Now, let's complete the addition sentence. 48 plus 35 equals 83. Let's try 23 plus 54 equals. Remember that we start on the bigger number, then we do less work. Now, let's start on 54. My spider is on 54. Count on 2 tens and 3 ones to 77. Okay, now let's try 25 plus 57. Remember, we start on the bigger number, then we do less work. Now let's start from 57. Count on 2 tens and 5 ones to 82. Now I want you to pause the video and try these 2 questions. Have a think. What do you notice about the ones digits? "34 plus 26 equals 60. 17 plus 43 equals 60. Look at the ones digits. Okay, 4, the first one, 4 and 6. They are pairs of numbers making 10. 7 and 3. They are pairs of numbers making 10. Okay, so you can always make that link to help you in your addition very quickly. Here are 2 tasks on the screen. Choose just one. Task A or task B. Task A, use the 100 square to support you if you need to. And then you have task B, a little bit more challenging. Okay, decide on the one you want to do and do it, please. Now let's check our understanding. Look at these additions and help me to mark them. 2 are incorrect. How can you tell it is wrong? What mistake have I made? I want you to check, do it, and we'll mark it in our next lesson. Okay?